Oh, it always works. Because every time it's church, I was at guy and do my gay, we are no misa. Umntwana lwana yamthola ngale eBulawayo Center uyalungisa shame. Ngizathi ngicela ngizoleke. Isizongela kuchapter like next week. Izinto ziyaphuthuma ke. And she be like 0775 565 075. I'm like, okay. Ngicela zakho just in case ngingabonda. Ngiyabazi la ukuthi ngizakho nezindanyeza ukubiza uDevisha, that's the Devisha. And the moment I say that, I just said, no, it's fine, girl. 0773 645 739. And then I'll be like, thank you, my babies. So, you know, like, there are many ways to kill a cat. And I've been watching a lot of shows lately. I'm shows. A show that I bounced on SABC One, Kumbulekaya. And then in my mind, I was like, what if Kumbulekaya were like a Bulawayo? What about Bulawayo Kumbulekaya? So, what I did. Ubaba ukhumbula ikomende bathole ukubonakala complex egqoke ibhulukwe eliyiyelo ulengane eziwu3 uyafunakala uma bekwazi ololwazi ukuthi ubaba wabonakala ngaphi akachayele ucingo 0771 645 789 right. And then like for some reason there's a guy wabaleke efamily yakhe wadlula via renkini and you always do good sense. And then this guy was like on Facebook. Every time I'm doing my 6 month you know, that's a confession. So apparently, Ukumbulekaya for me, and it's like that show, it was something that is actually not reality. 2 minutes is not by the mind. That's not my Bulawayo. So I'm going to put me more to Zambia. 40 places. I would like to see if you got to go to me on. I'm not going to 6. Just after 8 days, I'm a camera carrier, pass which is the right to you. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, like every time Ukumbulekaya and I feel I'm told about I suffer. I'm going to interview Ukumbulekaya episode, and there's a guy like, okay guys, as you can see, this is like my mansion. I've got 4 my sisters. So you can take one. I've never. It's always some old guy over here. Oh, no. And the moment you want to go to the back, you want to go to the because I don't die, you know. So the moment they go on, they kind of like, he's like, shut. But the thing I'm telling you, so getting after, it's crazy because such a golden ticket. And then you don't find want. The boys are emotional. When she don't do mama. Sometimes I start to smash out. Maybe everything is about to and then the next thing, those guys have to hug. And you can tell when they are going phone. That's why I feel like Kumbulekaya Bulawayo will be a dead shock. Because it's peanuts is where I'm don't put them on the school fees. That's drama. That's where I'm from. So guys, my name is Ngozi King. It's been a pleasure.